Every single flush, followed by this odd hissing or whistling noise that lingers for a few seconds, and honestly, it was starting to worry me. At first, I thought it was just a normal part of how toilets work, something everyone deals with. But it kept getting louder over time, so I decided to actually investigate what was going on. Turns out, this noise almost always traces back to one part: the fill valve. Here's what I learned. After a flush, the tank refills through the fill valve, and if that valve is old, worn out, or has a loose washer inside, it vibrates as water rushes through, and that vibration is exactly what creates that hissing or whistling sound you're hearing. The good news is this isn't dangerous or urgent, but it usually means the valve is on its way out. Before I show you the fix, tell us where in the world you're watching from. Drop it in the comments below. So here's what actually worked for me. I turned off the water supply first, then removed the cap on top of the fill valve to check the washer inside. Sure enough, mine was worn and slightly cracked. I replaced just that small washer instead of the whole valve, and the noise disappeared almost instantly. If replacing the washer alone doesn't fix it, the next step is replacing the entire fill valve, which is a cheap part and takes about 10 minutes to swap out with the water off. Once I fixed mine, flushing finally went back to being completely silent. No more hissing, no more wondering if something was broken. So if your toilet's been making that same noise, check the fill valve first. It's usually the easiest and cheapest fix there.